Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today again we are going to talk about the mutable property of list. And what do we understand by mutable property? Means we can add or remove the elements from the list. So if we want to remove the elements from the list, there are three functions: pop, del and remove. So let's discuss about these functions one by one. So today in this video, we are going to talk about pop function. So let's understand that how does it work. Pop function is used to remove the element from the specified index position and also returns the remove element. So what does it mean? That means pop function is used to remove the element from the list. As we know that we can remove the element from the list because of its mutable property, so it is possible. But it removes the element from the specified index position. That means if I want to remove any element from sixth location, six will be counted as my index position over there. So whichever the element is there onto the sixth location will be removed. And it also returns the remove element. That means once we'll pass the statement for removing an element, then as an output, I will get that particular element also, which is being deleted by this. So what is the syntax for the same? List1 dot pop of index. So list1 is the variable name which is holding a list of elements. Pop is my function, and inside my pop function, we are passing index as an argument. So index indicates the index position from where actually we want to remove the element. For example, there is a list of elements, list 1. Now, if I write list1 dot pop of 4, that means I'm applying this pop operation onto the fourth index position in my list. So if we check manually, which element is there is stored over there at fourth location, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on fourth location, we are getting 8. So let's check. Once this statement will be executed, I will get 8 as an output. That means my pop function has returned me an element which has been removed from location 4. So this is the functionality of pop function. Now if I'll be printing my list 1, after this, I will get the complete list not having element 8 inside it. But from this location only, this 8 will remain there because we are removing the element from fourth index position. We are not removing the element directly. So let us understand this practically as well. So now I'm going to take a list. List 1 is equal to, let me take some elements over there, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'm going to write list1 dot pop. Now I want to remove the element from my third location. So I'll be passing 3. So 3 is not the element over here, but this is the index location from where I want to remove the element. So I'm getting 4 because if we check 0, 1, 2, 3. So at third location, I'm getting my element 4. So if I'm getting this 4 as an output, it means that 4 element has been removed from the list. So let's check it, whether it is still a part of list 1 or not. So I will get this as an output. Now after 3, I'm getting 5 in the sequence because 4 element has already been removed. So this is the use of pop function. We will understand some more deletion functions in our upcoming videos. So keep watching, keep practicing. I will come with more tutorials. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.